Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 GMC Acadia SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8597A. 42,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. You do receive the balance to the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Thick skylight overhead with sunshade. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. To read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below, along with a large glove box. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.